Obstruction test for obstruction 5 mm. Place an obstruction test piece of 5 mm between stock rail and tongue rail at 150 mm from the toe of switch and ensure that friction clutch declutches the motor from mechanism. Lock segment does not enter into the notches of locking slides and point driving slide. Roller of the lock detection lies on the periphery of control disc. Switch detection contacts do not make. The friction clutch shall slip at a value not less than 1.5 and not exceeding twice the normal working current. Obstruction test for obstruction 1.6 mm. Place the obstruction test piece of 1.6 mm at 150 mm from the toe of the switch rail. The machine should get locked and detection contacts should be made. In a closed track circuit of point zone, operate the point by dropping the track relay. Point should not operate from normal position to reverse position and vice versa. Pick up the track relay and operate the point. Point should operate from normal to reverse and reverse to normal. Check insulation of point cables with 500 volt mega once in 6 months. Correspondence testing must be done after measuring. All conductors in signaling cables must be tested for their insulation in dry weather every year as per instructions. A comparison of the test results between successive tests carried out on a cable under similar conditions will give an indication of the trend towards deterioration of the insulating material over a period of time. If a sudden fail in insulation is observed, the cause should be investigated and immediate steps should be taken to repair or replace the cable. In addition to the regular testing of cables in dry weather, random tests in wet weather may also be carried out where considered necessary to localize any sudden deterioration in insulation of cables.